when you talk about botanicals, there's a lot of possible and maybe and likely rather than cut and dried cures. And the same goes for rhodiola, especially because it's an adaptogen. It's not even a plant that's taken for any specific effects that you are trying to find, like taking a medicine to lower your blood pressure. But it does have a lot of neurological central nervous system effects for which people will use it. For example, depression. A lot of people find benefit in treating their depression because it improves their energy and it improves their mood. A lot of people use it for mental focus, especially if they have some ADD or ADHD issues where they have some trouble concentrating. And even in certain medical conditions where there is a degeneration of nerve fibers, such as in Parkinson's. Again, it does not cure any of these conditions, but it can certainly affect and improve them and maybe slow down some of the deterioration associated with these diseases. It kind of sounds like snake oil, whatever is wrong with you, it helps you, but that's what adaptogens are. And therefore, different people may have different effects and notice different things. But I love getting calls from people who tell me that within a few days, they feel better, they have more energy. But again, adaptogens are such useful chemicals because they help the body adjust itself to stressful situations.